In the previous video, we created an interactive table of contents for our videos that we combined into one large video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can produce that type of video so that it can be embedded on a website and be playable on any device and in any browser. Now, the setup is exactly the same as the previous video. The only difference is how it's produced. So come on up here to Produce and Share. And instead of using the custom production settings, hit the drop down arrow and go to share to screencast.com. Now before we jump into this, let me also tell you that if you're not familiar with screencast.com, you will need an account there, and you can get there and learn more about it at techsmith.com/screencastcom.html. And they've got two flavors, one for free that I suggest everybody to have, and the pro version. And how I've used this in the past is I'll set up the free account, and if I see at some point down the line, maybe close to the end of the month, that maybe my added traffic is getting me close to that 2 GB monthly bandwidth limit, well then I'll pay the $9.95 to bump that 2 gigs up to 200 gigabytes. And then if I find that that traffic has died down, come time to renew this on the following month, I just won't renew it. And it'll revert back to the same exact account, only to the 2 gigabytes. So these are the exact same account, which allows you to toggle back and forth as your traffic needs increase or decrease. So a very cool setup they've got there. Anyway, go ahead and sign up for screencast.com, and you can learn more about the different setups and customizations you can have within screencast.com. And if you find that you really like this, like I do, then you might even decide to go with the yearly service, which is going to save you a few bucks as well. Okay, so that's screencast.com. Come on back here, and on the production screen, make sure that you've got screencast.com selected. Click on Next, and then sign into your screencast.com account. Then click on Next, and then give it a title. And what it's going to do here is go ahead and produce the video. Then it's going to upload it to whatever folder you select here. You can hit this drop down arrow here and choose from any other folder that you may have created on your screencast.com account. And then be sure to click on Options. And just like before, decide what settings you want here, whether you want the controls to be auto hidden or not. I do. And then the size, video settings, audio settings, go ahead and set these up as you normally would. And then under Options, make sure that this box here is ticked next to Table of Contents. And I also have the Table of Contents initially visible, just like I did in the last video. And these two here are just like in the last video, where you can position the table of contents is going to show on the left or the right. And if you want the marker displays to be text and thumbnail, text only or thumbnail only, again, I'm going to stick with the default. And if you want it to be searchable or not, and then click on OK, and then click on Finish. And like before, it's going to render the project as fast as your computer will allow it, and based on how big of a file you are trying to render. And then after it's done rendering, then it's going to go ahead and upload to screencast.com. And now we're beginning the upload process, and that's just dependent upon your internet access speed. And we're automatically opened up to the video within our browser, and we click on play. We get the interactive table of contents right here, and when we mouse off, it goes away. That's the auto hide feature. Let's go ahead and close this out. That's this URL right here. This is one that you can pass out on your Facebook page, your emails, whatever. This is the embed code that you would paste on your website. And you can just either select all of this or just click on copy to your clipboard, and then head on over to your browser. And by the way, if you want to learn how to get that information from the folder on your screencast.com account, you have plenty of tutorials right here to walk you through everything. But I've already set up a test blog here. This is a WordPress site, and the same exact thing can be done on a plain old HTML site as well. Let's go to Post, Add New, and just go to the Text tab, and then just paste it in there. Now this is the dimensions of the video right now, so if you wanted to change this, then you can go ahead and make these adjustments right here, but I'll go ahead and leave it alone just for the time being. And you would go ahead and do the normal stuff you would with your WordPress post, give it a title, make any adjustments over here in the sidebar as you normally would, and then click on Publish. And let's go ahead and view our new post, and there's our video with our interactive table of contents And you can see as I squeeze this down, it changes sizes. So again, it's going to play on any device, no matter what size the screen. This is going to bring us to the end of this video on how to produce your interactive table of contents style video so that it can be embedded on your website. Thanks for watching, and you have a great day.